Hey everybody, so today is November 26, 2023. Hope y'all had a good Thanksgiving. I did want to shoot this video to provide y'all some news and updates on what's been going on here lately with the channel. And of course I do these videos when there is a period of inactivity on the channel or for other reasons. But of course this month I haven't been super active on the channel. I've only posted like maybe a few videos like that. I have been shooting some videos over this month. I've worked on a few different things and I'll be getting those videos up pretty soon. But I do have one exciting announcement to make, and that is soon you'll be seeing 3D printing videos here on this channel. For those who didn't know, I have actually been experimenting with 3D printing for quite a little while now at my place of work. We have lots of 3D printers and I have been experimenting with that over the past year or so, getting more familiar with how that stuff works. And let me tell you, 3D printing, it's nice, and it's getting more and more accessible financially wise. I mean, compared to what it used to be. 3D printers nowadays, you can get them for less than $300 depending on what you're looking for. But yes, soon you'll be seeing some 3D printing videos here on this channel. I took some spare time last week at my place of work to talk about some 3D printing related topics, and actually did a video review of a 3D printer which you probably should not buy, and you'll see why when I post that video. Another exciting announcement is soon I will be getting a 3D printer for this computer room. Yes, later this week I'll be getting a brand new 3D printer. I'm not going to tell you what it is just yet. You'll have to hang around and wait patiently for that, but it's actually a pretty new release from one of the big manufacturers of 3D printers out there. So I look forward to getting to incorporate 3D printing into some of the videos here on this channel. Some good news to report is, in spite of not being super active on the channel this month, channel subscriptions added have actually been on the uptick a little bit, and I'm excited to announce that news. In case you didn't know, roughly 91% of this channel's watch hours are from those who are not subscribed to the channel. So it really does help if you are interested in my videos that you hit that subscribe button. And if you're really interested, tick the bell where you'll get notified when new videos get posted. But yes, your subscriptions do matter. It does help the channel, and I would highly encourage you to support your favorite YouTube channels by subscribing to them. So anyways, aside from that, not really too much to share. I did want to make that announcement though about the 3D printing, and of course, as mentioned, things have been busy. Haven't really had a chance to get new videos posted. However, I have been shooting a few videos over this month of repairing computers and stuff like that. So anyways, as always, thank you for your support, and thanks for watching this video.